Hello everyone and welcome to AFCKS Technologies. Friends, before we start this session, I just want to share my learning experience with AFCKS Technologies. So I remember 10 years back when I was planning to change my first job based on my existing skills at that time. I tried very hard to get a good job, but then I realized my mistake that I never thought of learning the additional skills or maybe upskill myself. And then I came to know about AFCK's technologies from one of my friends, and I decided to learn advanced Excel. Then I become Microsoft Excel certified Excel expert with the help of AFCK's technologies. I learn advanced Excel, VBA macros, and advanced VBA. After upskilling myself, I not only got the good job, but then I decided to train other people and share my knowledge with them. Whatever expertise that I have gained so far, I'm sharing my knowledge with uh, the students. So if you look at our motto, that is achieving freedom by creativity and knowledge sharing, we help people to achieve freedom by sharing our knowledge with them creatively. So that's our vision mission, you can say. Now, if someone asks you what is the good investment, and probably you will say whichever investment gives you higher return on investment, that is the good investment, right? And I would recommend investing in learning is the best investment amongst all investment vehicles, because the return on investment on this investment is limitless. If you invest in learning, the return on investment would be limitless. And I have experienced this fact after investing my time and money in learning Excel and all other courses. So that's the beauty of learning new skills. Let me congratulate you all that you have decided to learn advanced Excel with AFCK's technologies. And you must be wondering why the course name is Practical Applications of Advanced Excel, because Excel is something which you will learn by practice, and we teach only those concepts which are practically useful in the industry. So based on our experience with different organizations, we have designed this course, and that's why the Practical Applications of Advanced Excel is the course name. Friends, my name is Sandeep Parvane, and I have overall 13 years of experience. I worked with one of the best organizations in the industry. I worked with Sintel. I worked with Infosys BPO Limited. I worked with SunGuard IT Availability Services. I worked with Tata Motors, and now I'm working with HSBC Software Development India Limited. And if we look at all these organizations are from different domain. So that's the beauty of learning Excel. You can work in any industry, because Excel is widely used across all industries. Moving ahead, friends, let us find out the reason why Excel is widely used across all industries. Because you can use Excel for data storage. Excel is used for sharing data. People share data using Excel files. Excel has automation capabilities. You must have heard about VBA macros. Excel also has visualization capabilities. You can visualize your data using Excel graphs and charts and all other features like conditional formatting. And the last one is analysis. So using Excel, you can analyze your data and produce the insights which are useful to take any decisions. Okay. Moving ahead, friends, what are the benefits of learning advanced Excel? It improves your efficiency and productivity. If you learn advanced Excel, you will you will be able to complete your task efficiently and very quickly. It makes you a more valuable team member because you know advanced Excel. Everyone in your team will come to you to automate their task or complete their task with your help because you know advanced Excel. It makes you better at organizing data. Next, it makes your job easier. Okay, using advanced Excel, advanced features of Excel, you can accomplish your job easily and very quickly. It makes you better at visualizing data, which is very important because pictures talk more than the words, and that's why visualization is very important. It makes you better at analyzing data. So using different features of Excel, you can analyze your data. Now, moving ahead, friends. So just want to share some details about the course. Course duration is 4 months, every Saturday, 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. and we'll have a 15 minutes break in between. Course fees is 8,000 rupees and there are two options. You can pay in two installments or you can pay in one go. So if you are paying in two installments, you can pay 4,000 each, and in single installment you can pay 7,200 rupees since you get 10% discount. Now about the certificates, um, you will receive a completion certificate upon completion of the course by default. The only condition is that you need to pay the full fees. And if you want to have a course certificates from AFC Technologies, you will have to take a final exam and you will have to pass that exam, which is free of cost. I mean, there are no charges for exam. For our alumni, if you have completed this course within last year and if you want to repeat the same, you will get 50% discount. And if you have completed the course prior to last year and if you want to repeat the course, you will get 20% discount on the fees. So few more features of AFCKS technologies I would like to share with you all, and why you should join AFCKS technologies for this particular course. The first reason is this course is practical oriented course, and not only this course, we teach all our courses practically uh, with the help of practical examples. So the courses are practically oriented, which makes learning very interesting. Okay. Next feature is we teach this course through more than 200 examples, and these examples are carefully designed based on our experience with different industries. I mean, whatever today's industries demand, we have included all those scenarios and examples in this course. Third feature is you will receive updates and notes even after you complete the course. You will keep receiving our updated notes since you are the alumni of AFCKS technology. You will be associated with AFCKS technologies forever. You'll keep receiving the notes of next batches. Job opportunities. We share the job opportunities that we receive from our students or uh, the organizations that are looking for the candidates, because AFCKS Technologies is a renowned institute, and people know the quality of the content that we provide in our courses. So organization approach us for the candidates. Okay, and the last is AFCKS is most preferred training institute said by our students. And believe me, friends, this is one of the best training institutes I have ever come across when it comes to Excel learning and automation courses like VBA and all other courses. So these are the features of AFCKS technologies, and uh, the reasons why you should join AFCKS technologies for learning advanced Excel. These are the courses that we offer at AFCKS technologies. So practical applications of advanced Excel, VBA macro foundation level 1, developing mobile, tablet, web apps using Power Apps, mastering Power BI professional, basic to advanced, practical application of Excel, Power Query, and Power Pivot, mastering structured query language, SQL, practical applications of Python programming foundation, robotic process automation. You will find the details about all these courses on our AFCKS Technologies website, and you will have all those details listed over there. And happy learning, friends. So this was a small presentation I wanted to take you through. Next, we will talk about the course content, um, as in syllabus, what we are going to teach you in this particular course. So let's go through the content of this course. Let's quickly go through the course content, friends. So in formulas, we'll be teaching text functions. So these are the functions used uh, on a text inputs. Okay, then reference functions, row in array formula, columns in array formula, address, offset, transpose, indirect, get pure data. So these are the functions which are reference functions. Then lookup function, so far you must be aware of VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, but apart from those lookup functions, we also have choose, index, two-dimensional index, and using lookups instead of nested ifs. So these are the advanced formulas we teach in this course. Okay, we not only teach these basic formula, but we'll teach you how to make those formula dynamic. Then error functions basically used to address the errors that we come across under different circumstances. Then logical functions, if you must have used if, but there are some advanced functions like nested ifs, true, false, and or not. These are the logical functions we'll be covering under this course. Date and time functions, how to use date and time functions, how to calculate the working days, network days, weekdays. So these are the date and time functions. Array and summarizing functions. So these are the functions we teach in order to summarize your data. For example, sum if, count if, sum ifs, count ifs, resolving version conflicts, subtotal using wildcards. So these are the advanced functions of array and summarizing functions. Then database functions, dsum, dcount, dget, daverage, financial functions, pmt, fe, pv, rate. So you will not understand these functions by name, but just remember that we are going to cover all these functions in this course. Then ran between random numbers, how to generate the data using random functions. Okay, and then information functions, count, a count, average, max, minimum, large, small, which help you to analyze your data. Then the Excel tools like find and replace. So you must be wondering what are we going to teach you in find? Okay, it's just a simple function of Excel, control F. But let me tell you something, there are a lot more functionalities available with find and replace tool in Excel. So we'll be covering all those concepts under find and replace tools. GoTo, even GoTo has a lot of advanced functionalities. Using Excel names, we teach you how to play with named ranges, okay, how to create names in Excel. Then securing sheet workbook, how to secure your data using password protection functionalities available with Excel. You will learn how to protect a sheet, how to protect a workbook. Sharing workbook and tracking changes, you will learn how to share a workbook across the team and how to manage the change history. You will learn how to paste your data spatially using different options. Okay, using form controls. So form controls are something we can use to visualize your data using those uh, control controls like option button, drop down, scroll bars, text to column, how to clean up your data using text to column, conditional formatting, how to make your data presentable using conditional formatting. So we'll be covering all those functionalities in conditional formatting. Using macro recorder, we'll learn how to record a macro, how to name a macro, auto filter and sorting, advanced filter. So we know the normal filter, but there is something called advanced filter as well. We learn how to apply that advanced filter using different criteria. We learn how to design those criteria for different scenarios. Subtotal and outlines, this is just to summarize your data using those subtotal and outlines. Chart and dashboards, as I told you, Excel has very beautiful functionalities to visualize your data. So we'll be learning how to create those different charts for your relevant data, how to make your data presentable using different charts and dashboards. Pivot tables and charts, will be covering the basic pivot table along with the advanced functionalities available with pivot tables like creating pivot chart, showing report of page items and separate pages, formatting pivot tables using calculated fields, various pivot table options, formula auditing. You might have come across a situation where you are not able to find out the error in your formula. So we'll teach you how to audit a formula and rectify the errors in the formula. Okay. Then data consolidation. We'll cover how to consolidate different data sets using consolidation tool and pivot table using Access data. So Access data means this is Microsoft Access. We'll teach how to import data from Microsoft Access application using queries. Okay, and then what if analysis. This is something which is very frequently used in business scenarios. What if analysis. Then Power Pivot. This is something very powerful functionality available with Excel. Okay, how to install that Power Pivot and how to use that. Will cover all those concepts. And again, cell linking, how to link your data with different location within same file using different file. Okay, then we'll see how to hyperlink in Excel file. And that's the end of the course content. So as you have seen how detailed this course is, we'll cover each and every concept which is very frequently used in Excel. And we have included all the advanced concepts under this course, and you will learn all those concepts through this course. Now, demonstrate, just to demonstrate you, I would like to show you one of the examples wherein we have created very beautiful dashboard using uh, the advanced functionalities of Excel like charts, pivot table, and all other um, tools. So let me show you that example here. Let me close this. So friends, this is one of the examples where we have wherein we have created a beautiful dashboard using the Excel charts, pivot table, and slicers. So if you look at this dashboard, we have not using any code here, but the Excel functionalities which are available in Excel. And we are going to cover all these concepts under this course, and you will learn how to create this beautiful dashboard using Excel functionalities. Just imagine if you visualize your data this way and present this data to your manager, he'll be very happy to see all these visualizations because user is able to play with this dashboard, and this is very interactive dashboard using slicers. Okay, if you change the year, all the charts are getting updated and filtered. Okay, if you want to see data for January, you just have to click on this January button here, which is part of a slicer. Okay, so this is called a slicer, and this is very interactive dashboard. Okay, so you don't need to create different dashboard for different months, but in a single dashboard you can see the data for all the months. Now you must have got a idea about this course, how detailed this course is, and up to what extent we are going to cover the content here. Friends, thank you for joining today for this demo session. If you have any questions, you can ask, or you can um, share your feedback later. Let me show you how to make the payment for this course and what is the next step. Okay, so as you have joined this demo session, next step is to pay the fees and secure your seat. So how to pay the fees, how to make a payment for this particular course? Just go to our AFCKS technology site, and once you log in using your mobile ID, and if you have created the password, just use the password, otherwise create the password using OTP. Now once you log in, you will see this payment option here. Okay, and we have these many payment options using which you can make the payment for this course. As I told you, you can pay in two installments, 4,000 each, or else you can pay 7,200 in single payment, as you are getting 10% discount on the total fees. So with this, friend, I'm ending this demo session. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, I'm done with the demo.